Swamiye Sharanamayappa. One of the questions that we often ask on the how part of Ayyappa Vratham is how do we involve family members in Ayyappa Vratham? Is the Ayyappa Vratham only for the male members of the family? Is it only for men? And this question keeps coming, how do we do this as a family? Actually, Ayyappa Vratham is a family Vratham. It is for the whole of the family. All the members of the family can get involved, no matter of what the age is, no matter what the gender is. In fact, when men are in a family situation, when men are in Vratham, the women are also in Vratham. Is it not true? They are also maintaining brahmacharyam. When one is maintaining brahmacharyam, other has to maintain brahmacharyam. So naturally they become Ayyappa Swami themselves. Only that we call them Mata Swamis, right? Men are called Swamis and women are called Matas, mother. And in that sense, there is Ayyappa Vratham is absolutely a family activity, family oriented activity. There is no one left behind. Children, of course, is part of that. And how do we bring children to the fold of understanding, particularly in the countries like US, Australia and Canada and Europe, is very important, because they just follow what you are doing, and then as they grow into teenagers and college kids, and they don't want to be associated with this, all this rituals and traditions and things like that, because their outlook is different. They are in a different stage of their life. But when you put the foundation when they are 6 years old to 10 years old, for example, they understand what it is, or the importance of the Vratham, importance of devotion, importance of the religion, importance of, keeping certain values with them, that comes from the family oriented Ayyappa Vratham. Just don't put mala and behave like a Swami and ignore everybody else. That is not Ayyappa Vratham. Okay, you have to bring your father, mother, everybody. They may not be in Vratham, but they are also purity, maintaining purity. Okay, so bring everybody along so that the next generation can learn how to be in a family. Remember, the family that prays together stays together. You pray for the same thing, you pray together, you pray at the same time, you pray with the same slokas, namaskaras and so on, and then unity comes. Is the family way of doing Ayyappa Vratham. So the view that Ayyappa Vratham is only for men and only for men can do Ayyappa Vratham is not correct, and it is not the way of doing Ayyappa Vratham. Swamiye Sharanamayappa.